Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel, BSco Dr. Devi Ramanamurthy, PhD, official, an initiative of Ramadevi Foundation, Hyderabad. In a world where chatbots can teach, grade, and even simulate real-world business scenarios, or management professors becoming obsolete, can a machine replace membership, empathy, and wisdom? Let's explore the real pedagogical challenges in management education and discover how the role of the faculty is evolving in this AI-powered era. If this topic appeals to you, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your views. Let's dive in. Pedagogical challenges in management education in the age of AI. Will the faculty become redundant in the chatbot era? As artificial intelligence transforms the way knowledge is delivered, pressing question arises: are faculty members in management schools at risk of becoming obsolete? Let's look at the changing landscape. From chalk and talk classrooms to AI-driven content, the evolution of education is rapid and relentless. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. are now assisting students 24/7, answering questions, solving cases, and even simulating interviews. What are then key pedagogical challenges? But this shift comes with deep challenges faculty face. One, the threat of losing relevance. Second, student dependence on AI. Third, assessment authenticity issues. And four, unequal access to AI tools. Now the question, will faculty become redundant? Let's address the elephant in the classroom. Will AI replace educators? The answer is no. AI teaches what, but faculty inspire why and how. But then there's a need for reimagining the faculty role. In this AI era, faculty are not dispensable. They are indispensable in new ways. One, mentors. Second, critical thinking coaches. Three, ethical compasses. And four, industry connectors. There's a marked trend in the rise of AI in business schools. Business schools worldwide are already integrating AI into their learning systems. Wharton, for example, uses AI simulations in finance. INSEAD lets students challenge AI-generated strategies. IIMs in India are experimenting with AI-assisted case learning. Flipped classrooms, a smart solution. One powerful innovation, the flipped classroom. Students engage in AI-based content before the class. Class time is used for real debates, reflections, and applications. Now there is a need for AI plus human co-teaching. Imagine a future where every professor has an AI co-teacher handling basic queries, while the professor personalizes insights, nurtures soft skills, and builds the context. Let's look at some real case of Xavier relations Labor Relations Institute, Jim Sherpo. At XLRI, Jim Sherpo, HR students use AI role-play bots to simulate tough negotiations. The faculty observers, debriefs, and teaches emotional intelligence, something no chatbot can fully replicate. Here is the truth. AI can do a lot, but it cannot replace empathy. It cannot mentor with lived experience. It cannot inspire transformation. That's the faculty's unique superpower. Faculty upskilling is urgent and very vital. To remain relevant, faculty must reskill. They must learn 1. Prompt engineering. 2. Digital pedagogy. 3. Designing AI-proof assessments. And 4. Integrating values and ethics. AI-proof assessments. Assessments must shift from what did you find to how did you think through it, from AI-generated answers to human reflections, critiques, and insights. The 5C pedagogical framework here. A successful AI-integrated pedagogy in a classroom should follow the 5C framework. The first C is content curation. The second C is critical thinking. Third C is collaboration. Fourth C is contextualization. And fifth C is character building. What should institutions do now? Yes, institutes must 1. Embrace blended learning. 2. Provide AI access to all students. And 3. Redesign curricula around human-AI synergy. The future is human plus AI minded. AI is not the enemy of the faculty. It's the opportunity to rethink teaching, to make it more real, more relevant, and more relational. In conclusion, we may say that the best faculty of tomorrow are not those who fight AI, but those who partner with it. Because the future of education is not machine versus human. It's machine plus human together. The future of education is not just about technology. It's about collaboration between minds and machines. If you believe in empowering educators and transforming learning, show your support. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and share it with fellow educators and learners. And of course, subscribe for more bold ideas shaping the future of learning. See you with the next insightful video. Until then, take care. Thank you and good luck.